Hey, I'm Jacob with eXp Realty, and today I'm at this gorgeous home in a wonderful neighborhood at 38 Deneveu Circle in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. This home is brought to you by Siamof with Berkshire Hathaway. Let's go take a look. When you first walk through the front door, you're greeted by immaculate marble floors and a beautiful curved stairway. As you walk into the living room, you're greeted by incredible vaulted ceilings along with this immaculate floor-to-ceiling fireplace, which really highlights the room. This home features a gourmet kitchen, which is any chef's dream, and it flows beautifully into the dining room. It has tons of natural light leading to the outside deck. One of the nice things about this property is all 4 bedrooms are a great size. Just off the main bedroom, you have a relaxing paradise with a jetted tub, dual vanity, and a walk-in shower, which would be great after any day. If you choose to enter through the 3-car garage, you get an amazing laundry space featuring a sink and plenty of storage. The last great thing about this house is just the yard, the space back here. The atmosphere is absolutely fantastic. On a maintenance-free deck, this would be a great place to come and just relax after a long day. Check it out today.